However, the assumption that Pakistan would have any constraints in the face of any future violation of its sovereignty reflects a dangerous misleading of strategic fundamentals. As we steadily but surely build our comprehensive national power, any enemy acting on perceived vulnerability of Pakistan under the illusion of strategic impunity or miscalculation would get an assured, swift, and a very befitting response. The onus of ensuing escalation, one that may ultimately bear catastrophic consequences for the entire region, will squarely lie with the aggressor. Pakistan will protect its sovereignty and core national interest decisively and without hesitation. The successes of multi-domain operations of Marka-e-Haq shall never recede from the Indian memory. I recall here the verse 249 from the Surah Al-Baqarah, which I had recited while addressing the passing out parade at Pakistan Military Academy. Kam min fiyatin qalilatin ghalabat fiyatan kaseeratan biiznillah wallahu ma'as sabirin. And the translation is, how many times it happened that a smaller force vanquished a bigger force by the will of Allah, and Allah is with the steadfast. Ladies and gentlemen, our national spirit has only been further strengthened many folds in adversity. Therefore, let it be known to all inimical forces who harbor nefarious designs against Pakistan, we are ever ready in our resolve to defend our motherland at all cost. It is also no coincidence that India deliberately creates strategic distractions whenever Pakistan is close to decisively turning the tide against terrorism. Our adversities have only made us emerge stronger. We will take our fight against terrorism to its logical conclusion and get rid of this menace in all its forms and manifestations, inshallah. On such occasions, we can never miss to mention about the great sacrifices of our Kashmiri brethren in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. We stand firm with the Kashmiri people for their right of self-determination, for the resolution of the internationally recognized long-standing dispute in accordance with the United Nations Security Council resolutions and the aspirations of the people of Kashmir. What India tends to term as terrorism is in fact the legitimate struggle as per the international conventions. Those who endeavored to subdue the will of Kashmiri people and sought conflict elimination instead of resolution have made it more relevant and pronounced through their own actions. As Allah has said, وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. And they planned, and Allah planned, and Allah is the best of the planners. The world must realize that without a just and peaceful resolution to the Kashmir issue, regional peace will forever remain elusive with perpetual danger of conflict in South Asia. I pay tribute to the Shuhada of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and to those who continue to struggle for the right of self-determination. Their valor and perseverance will never be diminished by the brutal and oppressive occupying regime. Pakistan will always continue to provide political, diplomatic, and moral support to the valiant people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, while the enemies of Pakistan continue unabated efforts to stall our destined rise. Our journey to glory continues. Pakistan is indeed on the path to progress and development with strategic consequences which can never be ignored. Take pride in the fact that your past is decorated with glorious traditions. Your future should be illuminated with an abiding hope in realizing Pakistan's manifest destiny.